वेलकम बैक टू कोड टू कॉर्टेक्स। आज हम करने वाले हैं गेटिंग स्टार्टेड विद क्लाउड KMS। सो फर्स्ट क्लिक स्टार्ट लैब। नाउ ओपन दिस इन इनकॉग्निटो विंडो। I understand. I agree and continue, and then remove the tutorial. Come back to the lab onto the task one. First, we have to create a cloud storage bucket. So for that, activate the cloud shell. Click continue. Click authorize. Next, after this is complete, come back to the lab again. Copy this, paste it here, and copy this, paste it here, hit enter, and bucket with this name will be created. Now click check my progress. It's completed. Now task 2. Run these commands. Come back here. Onto the task 3, we have to first enable the cloud KMS. So run this. Next, onto the task 4, we have to create a keyring in crypto key. First, we will run this command. Then we will keep running the commands in the given order. Check my progress. Completed. Onto the task 5, we have to encrypt the data. So copy this. Next, you have to run this. Next, we will run this. Then we will run this. After it is completed, come back here, click check my progress. Then on to the task 6, it is to configure IAM permissions. So run these commands in order again. And on to the task 7, it is to backup the data on the command line. First, we will copy all the files for finance step. Then we will run this command. We keep giving the loop, click check my progress. And after this, your lab is completed. Congratulations. If this video was helpful, give it a like and subscribe our channel for more such videos. And you can just simply end this lab.